Hi guys, welcome back. This is take 2 of my unboxing of the September Simon card kit. This is the Let's Celebrate. Yes, making sure I'm in the right month. So it is unboxed to a point because this is the second time I'm filming this. I can't talk today. So let's just take it out the box again and I'll walk you through it again. Well, be the first time for you. So we have, as always, an inspiration sheet, which is fabulous. We then have, you always get like a coupon thing. Don't forget it is September until the end of September 2022. It's every year, but go check out the deals. We then have a dull pink and a white Simon envelope. This one is a shimmery one, which is awesome. I love their envelopes. Seriously, can't talk. You also get either a blue or a pink glitter cardstock in here, and this is very nice. It doesn't shed, and it's kind of weird. It's very smooth for a glitter, but it's beautiful. So you'll either get the pink one or the blue one. Don't know if the blue, it just says pink or blue. It doesn't have a name, but it's Simon's glitter cardstock, which is awesome. You also get, let's go through these. You also get 3 sheets of cardstock plus a like specialty, what I would call a specialty. So you have the dull pink, you have the, this is the holographic rainbow, 100 pounds of Island Blue, dull pink, and the Nina. So let me do that again. So dull pink, Island Blue, Nina 110, and the holographic rainbow from Simon. And this is rainbowy. I'm just trying not to blind you with it. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then we have, this is American Crafts Vicky Bouton 6x8 papers, and these are double-sided and you get 12 sheets. So there's just some very cool funky kind of patterns going on here, and as always you'll find that there are sides that you love and sides that you maybe are not your thing. I love this. It's like a unicorn's tail. And even this side, even though it's got a dark background, it's got some nice colour in there, which you may or may not pick up on the camera. This is great for a card front, little scene partly done for you. And then some cool florals. That was my cat. Oh, the glare. Some beautiful butterflies. I do like this distressed coffee stain kind of thing. Some more brightly coloured leafy designs on the back, and all of it's like, this isn't plain, it's got like a distressed kind of thing going on. This I love, these beautiful clouds. But I love this too, so that's going to be a tricky one to decide which one I actually want. And I do like this. You could laminate this and have it as like a note board, a note thing on your like on your fridge or something. Put some magnet on the back and just cling it to your fridge. Some nice fruit, some nice text. I like text backgrounds and stamps. This one too, you could make into like a menu planner and put both of those on your fridge. So one could be, we need milk, and the other one could be for you know, your menu for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday could be on there because it's 6 blocks, but just an idea. This is beautiful, and this fabulous. And then these two have kind of like, it's like an ATC sort of size. You could use it for your 3, I think they're about 3x4 must be. So you could use them in your like Project Life type planners and things, and scrapbooks. And there's some nice suns on there. And then these again, you can use them just as part of your scrapbooking, or cut the actual tag bit out and use them on something. But again, you've got the 3x4s there, which are probably the ones I'm going to use. So again, got to pick a side. Don't like it. Then we have a little Simon triangle tray, and this is basically like a bead tray. They're very handy, not only for dipping your beads and sequins and things out, but also getting it back in here. That's tricky, right? And then this is the disco ball sequence mix of Simon's. Very cool. Then we have the Groovy Happy Birthday die. These are joined at the moment, but you can unjoin them just with a pair of what are they called, like pliers? I think, not pliers. Snips, wire snips, that kind of thing. Anyway, and then you can use this outline one as a shadow, or you can use this Happy Birthday on its own, or you can then sort of temporarily tape them together and use it as one piece. If that made any sense. So we'll see what we can come up with. Then we have, oh, I love this, Minted Florals embossing folder. It's one of the sort of more dimensional embossing folders of Simon's, and in fact I don't know if they do any other kind, but anyway, I believe they are coordinating dies with some of these flowers, assuming these main flowers here, but they don't come in the kits, but I believe the dies you can buy separately. But you could do some very cool techniques with this. You could colour each of these flowers once you've embossed it, colour them in individually. Depending on the cardstock, you could even do a watercolour type of effect on them. Who knows? Watch the space. Maybe I'll do that. And then we have the pièce de résistance, the stamp set. It's a 6x8 stamp set as always. It's called Let's Celebrate, and it has some very cool happy birthday sentiments. Teeny tiny ones, bigger ones, massive ones. As I said in my other video, which obviously you won't see because I need to do this again, you could easily create a whole scene with the banner, all the cakes, cut them out, have the balloons, and just create a whole birthday tabletop scene with those. Even if you do it out as an outdoor scene, you know, like a picnic bench kind of thing, that would be very cool. So yeah, so that's it. That's it, guys. I did it in one take. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope that you stick around. I will endeavour, I always endeavour to get the week that as soon as my kit comes in, I film it pretty much the day it comes in, and I get it up as quick as possible for you guys, and I try to get a video out for you that relates to this kit, made out of this kit, not this kit but any of the kits, as the following video after the unboxing one, so that I can at least get some inspiration out to you guys. Obviously I'll keep bringing you inspiration with these kits, but I do like to get it around about the time that I actually get the kit because you might be in that same, you know, you might have just got your kit as well. And also because of the time delays and things, I get my kit later than maybe you might do if you were more local to Simon. So that is what it is. It's not, you know, that's life. so I do try and get these out to you. I'm still working on, this is September's, I'm still working on some August projects from the August kit, so stay tuned for that as well. And obviously I want to get as many holiday videos out a week as I can, but there's only so many videos I put out every week, so I'll just do what I can and hope that you guys keep coming back to see more. Anyway, so I will say bye for now, and I will check you back, that's not even English. I will see you back here in another video. Bye for now, guys.